हाय गाइस, मेरे पीछे पोस्टर देख के तो समझ आ ही गया होगा कि आई हैव जस्ट फिनिश्ड वाचिंग अनेक. इट्स फ्राइडे अगेन और आज फर्स्ट डे ऑलमोस्ट सेकंड लास्ट शो मैंने देखा. एंड अनलाइक लास्ट वीक जब मैंने धड़क नहीं यार धाकड़ देखी थी, उसमें तो 2-3 लोग ही थे. यहाँ पर एटलीस्ट एक पूरी रो भरी हुई थी. एंड आई वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग अ लॉट मोर पीपल इन दिस फिल्म, just like I was expecting a lot more from this film. And I'm really sad to tell you कि मेरे expectations पर ये फिल्म खरी नहीं उतरी. मेरे तो क्या कितने सारे लोग वहाँ जो बैठे थे, including my friend who is shooting this, he is from North East, from Arunachal Pradesh, but उसके भी expectations पर खरी नहीं उतरी. And he's too shy to come on camera. मैंने बहुत try किया but नहीं आ रहा है, but it's okay, he's at least shooting it. अब the problem with Anek is, and what I found from the other people who were also watching it, is कि it's a great subject. Yes, we all know that there are problems in the Northeast, and it talks about the discrimination that people from the Northeast face. It talks about the separatist group, जो अलगाववादी जो groups होते हैं वहाँ पर, उसके बारे में बात करती है. But it's all too disjointed. It's very fragmented and it's too scattered, and the narrative is very choppy. There are too many characters and it's just unnecessarily complex. I understand that these things are complex by default and by the very virtue of the problem of the states that we have in India, in not just Northeast, any other state that we take in a diverse country like India, problems होते हैं. But when you are making it into a film and you are putting it into a narrative, it needs to inform, entertain, educate, all of it at the same time. And Anubhav Sinha ये कर सकते हैं. He has done it with Thappad, he has done it with Article 15, he has done it with Mulk, he is entertained, informed, educated. But in this film, the entertainment factor तो बहुत ही दूर रह जाता है, because probably he didn't really make this film to entertain people, but then it's a commercial film, so we all expect some sort of entertainment that can keep you invested and hooked for almost 2.5 hours, which is what this film's runtime is. Lekin from the very start, Anek remains extremely disjointed. Like, you start feeling bored very soon in the film, and I understand that the problems that the film is talking about are real, but in the way they tried to tackle these problems, it's too superficial. It's like they've not gone into the depth of the problem, or which is why इस फिल्म में कोई सोल नहीं नज़र आ रहा है. It's trying to tackle too many issues, and in that it's not able to actually focus on any one of them. So आयुष्मान का जो कैरेक्टर है इस फिल्म में, it's one of the most important characters, with a few other characters which are important. But apart from these few characters, including the girl's character who is Andrea, she is from Northeast itself, she's from Nagaland I'm told, and I also interviewed both of them recently. You must have seen that interview. उसका जो character है वो strong है, and her track is also really good, but her track doesn't add value to the overall narrative or the overall screenplay of the film. उसको अगर निकाल भी दो आप, तो जो एक पैरेलल स्टोरी चल रही है आयुष्मान की और स्टेट के साथ, वो ज़्यादा अफेक्ट नहीं होती है. और उसमें भी they've tried to tackle it through a fictional town or a fictional state. They've not said कि it's Assam or it's Nagaland. When you see the film, you'll see जितने भी गाड़ियों के numbers है वो NE से शुरू होते हैं. There is no state called NE, or there is no city which starts with that. So it's real, but it's unreal. That's all I can say. So if you are someone who wants to know the problems of Northeast, then I would rather say that watch news and read about it and see documentaries about it, rather than coming and spending so much time. You're expecting a lot and not getting much out of it. So that's my honest review of Anek. I really wish that this film was a better film, and it was a film that could have given you what it promised from the promo. और बाकी जितनी भी आयुष्मान की और अनुभव सिन्हा की पिछली फिल्में हैं उनकी जैसी ये होती, बट सैडली इट्स नॉट एज ग्रेट एज देम. आर्टिकल 15 जो अनुभव सिन्हा और आयुष्मान खुराना की थी, विच वॉज अ लॉट बेटर देन दैट. सो I really but still hope, if you are a fan and if you still want to go ahead and watch it, please do watch it and tell me what you think about this film in the comment section. Like always, you can be honest, just the way I have been. Don't hate me for giving you the honest review though. But at the same time, thank you so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, do the thing. And as always, take care of yourself and those around you. Jai Hind.